Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing a bracket and a fire extinguisher. I do this in most of my cars just as a what if. I did have an electrical fire many years ago, back in the 80s, in one of my cars. So you just never know. Luckily I had an extinguisher and I was able to put it out real quick. So this is one of those things that's just like insurance. You hope you never have to use it, but if you have it, it's much better. So let me show you what I got here. So here is the bracket, and this mounts up in front of the passenger seat. And then I picked up a fire extinguisher off of Amazon, and so I will leave the link to that, and I will also leave the link to the bracket. So let me show you kind of how this goes in real quick. So you can see all the slots right here in this, and the two screws and nuts. That is for securing your extinguisher bracket to this one, so no matter what type or size you have, it should fit. And then you can see the holes in this bracket, and so I'll line up a couple of those and secure it with these nuts real quick. I'm going to do that first. This is going to sit like this, so it just goes right through the two bolts here at the front that hold the seat down. So I'll just have to zip those loose, but let me get this bracket attached to this first, and then we'll take these screws out and attach the whole thing. So I've got the bracket mounted to it now, so you can just place it where it fits best. And now let's go ahead and remove the two bolts for the front of the seat. These are a T50 Torx bit, so that you know if you ever have to loosen them. Yeah. So now we can just place this. This actually goes underneath. Okay, I went ahead and bolted it in. I played with doing it two different ways, putting the bracket under the seat bracket itself. I ended up laying it on top, and it was simply because of my 3D MaxSpider floor mats, because since they're a liner, they come up a little higher right here, and the thickness of the curve here, I didn't want to cut these. If I put it down below, it was just kind of going down and over this lip and making it a little bit harder to fit. So I thought, well, this is fine. And so I put it on top, and that's that. So then, you know, depending on which floor mats you guys have, you can experiment with it yourself. So, and that clips in there, and now I'm set. Well, that wraps that installation up. Pretty simple and not too tough. It's only going to take you about 5 minutes, honestly. And but if you do have any questions or comments or something, please holler. And I appreciate if you like and subscribe. I do appreciate the support. And until next time, guys, we'll see you down the road.